I worked with Shashank in Chalo Dilli, and we know how he's a very good narrator. He's a very good storyteller. He's proved his point earlier. So that's how I really enjoy what he does.
There was an urge and a hunger to work with a director like Shashank. So when he called me to his office, when I met him at first go, again, you know, it was basically a discussion with two human beings sharing a creative space.
काफ़ी बातचीत होती है, एक दूसरे को चैलेंज करते हैं हम, एक दूसरे से सवाल करते हैं, जो कि हम दोनों को पता है कि ये फिल्म की भलाई के लिए है.
I think with Shashank directing and Vinay there, for me it was home turf.
40-45 डेज़ जो हमने इस फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान बिताए, वहाँ ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि शशांक में मतलब फिल्म के अलावा कुछ सोचने की शक्ति है भी कि नहीं, क्योंकि ही वॉज ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट द फिल्म, ही ओनली एट, स्लेप्ट एंड breathed the film. So he's a producer's director. Shashank is the poster boy for what a new wave director should be like.
Shashank, of course, is famous for Das Vidania, he's famous for Chalo Dilli. These are different kinds of films. So now that he's made this film with Dolly Ji as the protagonist, I'm looking forward to growing older because there will be films. He's paved the way for such cinema. You know, heroines will no longer be scared of getting older and being out of work. So I'm very happy about it. And of course, at the same time, Shashank has ensured that he's not trying to make everybody happy कि एक कोई heroine role दे दिया, इसको hero role दे दिया. We all have our space in this film and we all have our characters very well defined. I love the fact that Krishika is supporting this kind of cinema which doesn't have your quintessential 20s, 16-year-old or whatever, you know, young hero-heroine kind of stories. She's coming up with a huge blend of various kinds of films that target various audience.
She's a dream producer really because she knows, you know, where to, which parts to give in, what parts need more attention, and she treats her actors really well. You know, you need that kind of warmth in a producer.
She's a producer? I thought she's a friend. She comes across like that. There are no tantrums, but she had an eagle's eye, you know. जो कहते हैं ना nubs audience की पकड़ना. I have a feeling she really understands the relationship between the audience and the film.
If I didn't like something, if I didn't find the scene going right, I did tell him. He would take my advice and maybe make it better. I'm not a producer to sit and just let go. I like to be involved fully.
जब वो सेट पे आई थी तो मुझे लगा कोई हीरोइन आई है, फिर पूजा हुआ मुहूर्त पे, अगेन आई थॉट यू नो कि शी इज़ द हीरोइन. बाद में किसी ने बताया कि शी इज़ द प्रोड्यूसर.